Alright guys, I know it's been a while, but I'm finally back with the next video for you guys. Here's the new car. Haven't showed you guys. I actually have two new cars. I have a 9th gen, non-SI EX model, 5-speed, and just picked up this for the summer. It's a 97 Honda Prelude, not a Type SH. So today, I'm gonna actually do a DIY polish, three-step polish, I guess you would say. Compound polish, and then glaze or final glaze, whatever. But come along with me while me and my bro here. We're starting with the first step. We're washing down the car and then we're gonna wash it down with soap, and then wash it with the clay bar, and then go from there. So just come along.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find some.
Okay, so I want to show you guys. After a couple of passes of going on the car, there's dirt and stuff in the glove. Make sure you clean out the glove so you're not scratching your paint with the same dirt that you just cleaned up with.
Say sorry. Oh, maybe I'll leave, baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill.
So this is a McGuire's clay bar. I'm gonna break a piece of it. So this is what I'm gonna start with. I'm gonna fold it into each other, so it's soft and malleable. So first we're gonna start by soaping up the car again. And then just picking an area to start working and seeing what shows up on your clay bar. Like, you could even hear it. I'm gonna show you how much you picked up. You focus on that?
Yeah.
So you can see the dirt and the clean side? So you want to start by just working a small area. Obviously, by doing this rear panel here, you want to make sure the car is really wet. And then, I mean, I guess you guys can't see it, but take my word for it. It got a lot of dirt. And what you do is fold it, flatten it, fold it again. You just keep folding in the dirt. Okay, so I finished clay barring. Hopefully you guys can see this. Anyways, this thing is really dirty. To dry it off and start with my first step of compounding. So the first pad I'm starting out with is the compounding pad, along with, put it back on me, along with the compound, Simon's compound. Hopefully y'all can see that. Autofocus this real quick. Yeah. Step one, my buffer. I'm gonna follow the directions on the back. Move the paint surface. Okay. Well, basically the videos I've been seeing, what they do is they put the pad on their thing, prep their pad, prep their surface, and we'll go from there. So the first pad I'm starting out with is the compounding pad, along with put it back on me. Along with the compound, Simon's compound. Hopefully y'all can see that. Autofocus this real quick. Yeah. Step one.
Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Oh yeah. Take you like a pill. Say sorry. Oh, maybe I'll leave. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Oh yeah. Take you like a pill. Get my fill.
Okay, so this is definitely going to be a long process, but I did my first, I guess, polish. Great in this part here. I mean, I did this whole panel, but I think I need more. But I'm definitely seeing a difference. So this is the panel this is where I started. I don't know if you guys can see the difference from there to here. See, I finished. I didn't do this panel. I started, but I didn't do it. So this panel right here is the panel I did first. Took me about 45 minutes to an hour. But geez, that's only the first. So that's only the first stage. Imagine I have 2 more stages to go. This paint is gonna look like, right now I'm already seeing his reflection, and I still haven't put the polish, and I still haven't put the finishing glaze. So it's coming out good.
Talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Oh yeah. Take you like a pill. Can I feel you like a pill to get my fill. No, do me in the worst way. Don't let me sleep, never say sorry. Oh, maybe I'll leave. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Oh yeah. Take you like a pill. Get my
Okay, guys, this is day 2. Yesterday it got too dark to finish, so I'm back at it again. I just have to clean the car, just have to wash it again. You want to bring the camera closer? So as you guys can see, I messed up the bottom there. So what I have to do now, as I get to the bottom of the doors, I'm gonna leave that until I have tape and tape up the door properly. So actually, all my trim. Actually, I should tape up. Actually, I'm gonna go get tape right now and tape that up. Be back. So I'm back with the masking tape. So what I advise you guys to do is mask off all your trim, because the friggin' grinder or the polisher is gonna eat it up. So especially if you have good trim and you want to save it, spend the $2-3, get the masking tape and mask it off.
Say sorry. Oh, maybe I'll leave. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Oh yeah. Take you like a pill. Get find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Say sorry. Oh, maybe I'll leave, baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you